Today I will talk about one of the P of marketing mix, that is product. It is part of my series of lectures on marketing management. This is my lecture outline. First I will give introduction, then I will describe product line and diversification, followed by product positioning and product differentiation. Then I will talk about product life cycle, followed by branding, and finally packaging. Product related decisions include introduction of new products, improvement of existing products, planned elimination of obsolete products, packaging and branding, product line and diversification. What is product? Product is the bundle of benefits or satisfactions offered to a customer. Product differentiation. We can differentiate product by using different packaging, coloring, etc., and by emphasizing different benefits or advantages in their promotion. Product positioning. Product positioning is all about how we want the market to think about our product. There are two types of product, consumer products and industrial products. Consumer products include convenience goods, shopping goods, consumer durables, consumer non-durables, and services. Industrial products have greater standardization. There is requirement for personal selling, and after sale service is generally more important in industrial products. Industrial products involve high value purchases and it involves competitive bidding. Product line and diversification. A product or product item refers to a specific product or a brand. Product line. Product line is an expression used to describe a group of closely related products, whereas product mix refers to a set of all the products offered for sale by a particular company. Diversification are of two types, related diversification and unrelated diversification. Related diversification. Probable reasons for companies undertaking related diversification include to make a more effective use of existing selling and distribution facilities, to use its underutilized production capacity, to meet varied customer needs, to take advantage of its existing reputation in a particular type of product, and to increase the sale of existing products. There is integrated diversification, which may be backward or forward, also known as horizontal integration. Then product positioning. Types of product positioning include price-based positioning, lifestyle-based positioning, characteristics-based positioning, and quality or prestige-based positioning. What are the steps to develop a product positioning? First of all, we perform a competitive analysis. Then we perform a brand positioning analysis. Then we compare our positioning with our competitors. Then we determine the gaps in the market. And finally, we develop a new positioning strategy. Product differentiation. Economists view a product as differentiated if it is preferred by some buyers to similarly priced rival brands on the ground of differences in either physical aspects or services offered or convenience is using or buying the product or image projected. Then let us see what is product life cycle. There are four stages. One is introduction stage, second is growth stage, third is maturity stage, and finally decline stage or obsolescence stage. And profit is there in these three stages. It is negative in the first phase of introduction. New product development strategy, generation of new product ideas. The sources of ideas are customers, company salesmen, competitors, company executives, and company employees. Method is brainstorming. Then the ideas are evaluated or screened. In general, the ideas are screened in terms of possible profitability, market potential or market size, availability of production facility, availability of raw materials, availability of finance, availability of managerial ability, and uniqueness of product. Then product concept is developed and evaluated. Thereafter, product is designed and prototypes are developed and tested. This can be done under laboratory conditions or field conditions. The technical problems, if any, must be solved. Then product testing stage, requirement of for the new product, satisfactory performance, customer acceptance, economical production, adequate distribution, adequate servicing arrangement where required, effective packaging and branding. So these elements are tested. Then finally, we launch the new product. There is a question of timing, which is sometimes relevant. Timing of launch of product. Then about the decline stage. The reasons for decline stage include consumer changes and changes in taste, improvement in technology, and introduction of better substitutes. These are some of the causes of decline stage. And what are the options in decline stage? Consider some of the following points to avoid decline. Improve product quality, add new product features resulting in extra benefits, penetrate new market segments, give incentives to distribution channels, expand the number of distribution channels, improve advertising and sales support. This can be done to avoid the decline stage. Then promotions at different stages of product life cycle. So introduction stage, we should create demand, we should offer trials, we should focus on early adopters using informative aids, and we should have heavy promotion to raise awareness. Growth stage, we should focus on differentiation. We can persuade potential customers of product benefits. Then maturity stage, we should remind customers of product benefits. We can encourage brand switching from competitors. We can add associated services. Then decline stage, we should make use of customer loyalty programs and we should focus on loyal customers. So this is how we do promotion during various stages of product life cycle. Then branding. Brand. So brand is a word, mark, symbol, device, or a combination of used to identify your product or service. Brand name. Brand name is a part of brand consisting of a word, letter, group of word or letters comprising a name which is intended to identify the goods or service of a seller or a group of sellers and to differentiate them from those of competitors. Brand mark. A brand mark is a symbol used for the purpose of identification. Trademark. A trademark is a legalized version of a brand mark. Trademark is a brand or a part of a brand that is given legal protection because it is capable of exclusive appropriation. So there are certain questions. Should the product be branded at all? Who should sponsor the brand? What quality should be built into the brand? Should each project be individually or family branded? Should the established brand be given a new meaning, that is repositioning? So these are various questions. The facts are that consumers are willing to pay more for uniform and better quality products represented by the brand. What are the advantages and disadvantages of branding? From buyer's point of view, advantages are a brand generally denotes uniform quality. It makes shopping easier. Competition among brands can, over a period of time, lead to quality improvement. Purchasing a socially visible brand can give psychological satisfaction to the buyer. So these are certain advantages of branding. Disadvantages are since brand development costs money, product prices tend to go up. Taking advantage of the popularity of a brand, a manufacturer may reduce quality gradually. So these are advantages and disadvantages from buyer's point of view. Then seller's point of view, advantages are it helps in product identification. In a highly competitive market, it can carve out a niche for itself through product differentiation. If brand loyalty can be developed through successful promotion, the firm will be able to exert quasi-monopolistic power. These are the advantages from seller's point of view. But to obtain the advantage, it is necessary for the manufacturer to invest resources in promoting the brand name. Similarly, there are certain advantages and disadvantages from societal point of view. How to select a brand name? It should be meaningful. It should communicate the brand essence. It should convey an image. It should be visual. It should be distinctive or unique. People can easily spell it. It should be able to remain relevant even with growth of the company. So packaging finally. Packaging is an art, science and technology of preparing goods for transport and sale. Properly designed, the package should enhance the value of its contained products and impart the impression either directly or subtly to the customer. So, which are the firms involved in packaging? So, manufacturers, then firms engaged in formation of packaging, firms engaged in printing of labels, the marketing research agencies. These are various firms involved in packaging. There are various packaging materials, including metals, plastics, wood, paper, glass, laminates, polyester, etc. What are the functions of packaging? It should protect from breakage, from extremes of climate conditions, from contamination, from moisture, from loss of liquid or vapor, from pilferage. It should be able to be used as marketing tool, and these are certain marketing tools: packaging and sales promotion, money off pack, coupon pack, pack in premium, premium package, self liquidator. It should offer convenience to the end users, convenient to use not only to the end users, but also to the distribution channel members, such as wholesalers and retailers. And it should be cost effective. And these are various costs associated with the supply chain. Then about legal dimensions of packaging. Government regulations such as the use of specific packaging material for certain products, especially the milk products, etc. Consumer protection laws, transportation of hazardous material, the information a manufacturer is obliged to provide in the package itself. These are all covered under government regulations. Then statutory requirements relate generally to net weight when packed, date of manufacture, date of expiry, maximum retail price, including or excluding local taxes, directions for use, directions for storage. Other information which should be provided include picture of the product, accurate as to size, color, appearance, description of raw material used, along with method of processing, direction for use, including caution against misuse, possible adverse effects, if any, and brand name. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.